I was definitely inspired by my parents to become a farmer, and I love working with the animals, being out on the farm. Always preferred that to inside chores. I'm Janet Friesen. I'm a third-generation chicken farmer, and I'm from southeastern Manitoba. So a broiler farm is where we raise chickens for meat.
One thing we've learned very well through the years is any little stress on the birds does take a toll. To have stress-free environment makes a huge difference on what we bring to the table.
So the chickens are in a free-run environment. They have full access to water and feed 24/7 and good quality air.
When it's hot and adverse weather, you need to be home, not at the beach. We're here taking care of our birds.
I think agriculture has a very bright future. I look forward to possibly one day seeing one of my kids take over the farm, or one of my grandkids, who knows? It's a beautiful legacy.